Hello! Today we will get to learn how to choose a turnstile. Turnstiles are installed at security desks, governmental facility, school, banks, hospital, universities, sport and entertainment centers. Turnstiles are regulate the stream of people and control exit and entrance, protect from unauthorized person access. A wide variety of turnstiles is presented on the security market. These are compact tripod turnstile, elegant speed gate, full height turnstile, and swing gates. We will answer several questions in order to select the right model turnstile where on which side the turnstile is planned to be installed. The first selection criteria: mounting location. Nowadays, business centers and banks impose high demands on the design, and comfort the solution is the installation of stainless steel and tempered glass speed gates. It is possible to upgrade turnstile by adding automatic glass panels for wheelchair and access and passage by the baggage stream of people. Full-height rotor turnstiles are usually installed at special protected sites. School, hospital, governmental facilities are often limited on a budget. Besides, the entrance to stadiums, amusement park, water park are often located outside. It is necessary to choose all turnstiles for open-air installation. The second selection criteria requirement imposed on the passage area arrangement is necessary to not only prevent an unauthorized person passage, but also to provide the possibility of the escape route arrangement in case of emergency. Has an alarm signal option with anti-panic alarms or K override control function will be enough for the small facilities. Passage width are important factor when choosing a turnstile. Tripod has a passage width 50 to 60 cm and throughput 30 person per minute. The speed gate has a passage width 65 to 90 cm depending on the panel size and throughput of the 60 person per minute. Most of the time, turnstiles work as a part of the access control system with equipment reader and the controllers. It is possible to choose turnstiles that have a built-in reader or a card capture reader in addition. You can always contact Polimek or our partners. We are manufacturers since 1995 and 30 countries is the world. More than 1 people pass through every day our Polimek turnstiles.